Hello. So this is just a quick video explaining more in detail what you have to do for today for your assignment. If you understand the directions without this video, then you do not have to watch it. You can continue to do your work on your own. But I do want to remind you that if you have this worksheet that I gave you on Friday, that you should take it out because it will help you finish your assignment. It will make it much easier for you if you have this out. Okay, so the first part of your assignment, it says to change the adjectives into the correct comparative form. So my example right here is I have the word bad. If I look at the worksheet, I see that bad is right here and it's an irregular form, which means we do not use these rules to change it. So I go to bad, I go to where it says comparative, and I see that I have to change it to worse. And that is what I'm going to write right here. Okay? So that's what you have to do for the rest of the words. Second part is complete the sentence. So I have a sentence right here. I see that there is an adjective in parentheses. I have to change this word in order to complete my sentence. So I have my sentence says new cars are much quiet old cars. Quiet is one syllable. It has one vowel and one consonant. So I look at this one and I see that I have to, I see that I have to just add ER. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put quieter than. Remember, you always have to put then when you're making a sentence with the comparative form. And that is what you are going to do for the rest of the sentences. The last part is you have to write 4 sentences where you compare yourself with somebody else in your family. Okay. So, for example, I chose my sister. And that's what you're going to put here, family member, who you chose. And then you're going to write about it. Para esta parte lo que tienen que hacer es escribir 4 oraciones en donde se comparan ustedes con alguien de su familia. Por ejemplo, yo escogí mi hermana, my sister. Entonces lo que puse aquí, donde dice family member, ahí van a poner la persona que escogieron y después hacen sus oraciones comparándose ustedes con esa persona. Por ejemplo, esta segunda oración dice que yo soy más inteligente que mi hermana. Okay, son 4 oraciones comparándose ustedes con esa persona y después de eso ya terminaron. Si tienen preguntas, me pueden mandar un mensaje por Schoology o por email y también está Miss Reyes para por si tienen alguna duda o alguna pregunta. Okay, bye.